In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and use the audit log in Notion to monitor workspace activity. If you manage a Notion workspace, keeping track of what's happening inside it is an important part of staying organized and maintaining security. The audit log gives you visibility into user activity, which can help you understand changes, investigate issues, and confirm that permissions and content are being handled properly. To get started, open Notion using an account that has admin or workspace owner access. This is important because the audit log and certain security settings are typically only available to users with the right level of permission. If you don't see these options, it usually means your account doesn't have the required access. Once you're inside your workspace, head over to your workspace settings. This is the control center for managing your team, permissions, billing, and security-related options. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct workspace if you manage more than one, since audit logs are specific to each workspace. From there, look for the security section, or in some cases, the audit log area directly. The exact placement can vary slightly depending on your Notion plan or interface updates, but it will generally be grouped with administrative and security controls. When you find it, open the audit log to view recent user activity across the workspace. Inside the audit log, you'll be able to see a record of actions taken by users. This can include things like page edits, sharing activity, and permission changes. These records are useful because they provide a history of what happened, when it happened, and which user performed the action. To make the log easier to work with, use the available filters. You can narrow results by user, date, page, or activity type. This is especially helpful if you're looking into a specific event, such as a document being updated, access being changed, or content being shared unexpectedly. Filtering helps you avoid scrolling through a long list of unrelated activity and lets you focus on the details that matter. As you review the log, pay close attention to changes like page edits, sharing actions, or permission updates. These are often the most relevant events when checking for mistakes, confirming team activity, or reviewing access control. Regularly using the audit log is a smart way to monitor workspace security and overall user activity. It helps you stay informed, improve accountability, and respond more quickly if something needs attention. That's how to view and use the audit log in Notion.